Looking for the perfect tool to keep your project square and secure? In this video, we're diving into the best right-angle clamps to help you achieve precision with ease. Whether you're into woodworking, metalworking, or DIY tasks, we've got the ideal picks for you. Don't forget to like the video and hit that subscribe button for more expert product insights. Number 1. Casimir 90-degree corner clamp. For many projects, there is no need to spend a fortune on expensive clamps. These Casimir spring-loaded right-angle clamps are lightweight, fast, easy to use, and very affordable. Plus, this set of 4 allows users to clamp all 4 corners of an assembly at the same time. These lightweight corner clamps for wood are ideal for small projects made with thin material. The jaw capacity is supposed to be 3/4 inch. But working with material of that size proved challenging due to lack of clearance. We had to be very careful to maintain alignment and avoid marring the surface of the wood. They worked much better with slightly thinner boards. The spring closure worked well. We really liked the ability to install the clamp with one hand while maintaining project alignment with the other. Again, smaller projects are the key. We do not recommend using these for cabinet frame construction, although they could work with some patience. Number 2. Milescraft Square Clamp Kit. A deeper bracket usually works best when clamping the mitered corners of a picture frame. The Milescraft Square Clamp Kit features an 8-inch L bracket with a 6.5-inch jaw length and adjustable cam clamps that accept boards up to 5.25 inches wide. For added convenience, the kit comes with 2 material supports to hold the project pieces level to prevent racking, and rubber clamp pads prevent damaging the wood surface. The Milescraft Square Clamp Kit worked well as a box clamp, but truly excelled as a frame clamp. The L bracket offers 2 placement holes along each of the arms that mate with molded pegs on the clamps. After choosing the best clamp position, adjusting the cams to match the width of the frame boards was a simple matter of sliding the locking levers toward or away from the bracket. Number 3. Woodpeckers M2 Box Clamps. A traditional assembly method for deep box corners uses matched clamps at the top and bottom of the corner to keep the parts aligned. We really liked the Woodpeckers M2 box clamps because of their strong, low-profile design and easy setup. The clamps can be attached to a workbench through the built-in screw holes or applied freehand with the included thumb screw spindle. The design works with both outside corners and T-joints and accommodates workpieces of varying thicknesses. The snug grip prevents movement during glue-ups and fastener installation. These clamps proved versatile during our tests. Because they can handle both corners and T-joints, they did a great job with alignment, including cabinet and drawer box assembly, especially with 90-degree joints that were more than 10 inches long. The molded plastic clamp faces included a scale that helped to ensure perfect positioning at both ends of long corners, whether assembled vertically or horizontally. Number 4. WenCrew Corner Clamps. A woodworker can never have too many clamps, especially when it comes to precise right-angle assemblies. These aluminum positioning squares from WenCrew make it easy to quickly align parts for gluing or installing fasteners. We use the WenCrew corner clamps to position mitered and square-cut corner pieces. As with other positioning clamps, they did a really good job holding the parts at the proper angle, but are not intended to apply pressure on the joint. The WenCrew clamps were much more affordable than the nearly identical brand name version and offered good versatility whether we needed to mate materials of different thicknesses or to position them on the inside or outside of the corner. The only awkward part was dealing with the aluminum clamp foot at the base of the knob. Because it spins freely on the spindle, it sometimes fell out of position before we could get the knob tight. Number 5. Bessey WS 3+2KCB Angle Clamp. A sturdy corner clamp makes securing boards at a precise 90-degree angle easier. The Bessey WS3 2KCB Angle Clamp tops our list because of its versatile design and rugged build. It features plastic-coated die-cast metal jaws that self-adjust within a 4-inch range to match the thickness of the boards, including 2 boards of different thickness. the open design allows plenty of clearance to install dowels or fasteners while gluing. While the design of the Bessie clamp was comparable to a few others in the test group, its wider jaw capacity and heavy-duty build truly stood out. Weighing in at a hefty 2 pounds, the substantial metal jaw and stainless steel spindle should withstand a lifetime of shop use. While the design of the Bessie clamp was comparable to a few others in the test group, its wider jaw capacity and heavy-duty build truly stood out. Weighing in at a hefty 2 pounds, the substantial metal jaw and stainless steel spindle should withstand a lifetime of shop use. We tested that could also accommodate mitered picture frame members up to 2 inches wide. The next largest material capacity among our tested models was only 1 inch. This Bessie can hold T-joints, and we liked how easily the clamp accommodated unequal thicknesses.